Hello and welcome to Zenith Institute where learning matters. Guys, in this video I will share with you 30 words with their meaning in English, and the theme of these words is school. So let's begin with our first word, that is der Kindergarten. Yes, this is a German word that means play school or nursery. Der Kindergarten. Next is die Grundschule. Die Grundschule, that means primary or elementary school. Next is das Gymnasium. Das Gymnasium, that means high school or secondary school. Das Gymnasium. Next is die Sprachenschule. Die Sprachenschule, that means language school. Sprachen means language in German. Next is der Lehrer, male, die Lehrerin, female. Der Lehrer und die Lehrerin, that means teacher or instructor. Next is der Schüler, male, die Schülerin, female. Schüler und Schülerin, that means pupil or school child. Next is der Kurs, that means course or class. For example, der Deutschkurs, that means the German class. Next is der Unterricht. Der Unterricht, that means again lesson or class. You can also say der Deutschunterricht, that means the German class. Next is die Klasse. Die Klasse means class or standard, not in English like class. For example, you can say dritten Klasse, that means third standard. Next is der Stundenplan. Der Stundenplan means timetable or schedule. Next is das Fach. Das Fach means subject in a school. For example, mathematics, physics, geography, history. These are das Fach. Die Kenntnisse. Die Kenntnisse means knowledge, skill or expertise. Die Kenntnisse. Next is die Hausaufgaben. The Hausaufgaben is always used in plural form, that means homework. Next is die Übung. Die Übung, that means exercise or practice or training. Die Übung. Next is die Lösung. Die Lösung, that means solution or answer. Die Lösung. Next is der Fehler. Der Fehler, that means mistake, error or sometimes fault. Next is die Prüfung. Die Prüfung, that means examination or test. Next is der Antwortbogen. Der Antwortbogen, that means answer sheet. Next is die Note. Die Note, that means mark, score or grade. Die Note. And at last you get your certificate, that is called das Zeugnis. Das Zeugnis, that means certificate. Next you get your degree, your graduation degree, that is called das Abitur. Das Abitur, graduation from high school. Next is der Ausflug. Der Ausflug means picnic or trip. Der Ausflug, picnic. Die Ferien. Die Ferien, it is always used in plural form, that means holiday or vacation. Next is die Leistung. Die Leistung, that means performance. Die Leistung, performance. Next is die Meinung. Die Meinung, that means opinion, thought or for example your point of view. Die Meinung. Die Erfahrung. Die Erfahrung, that means experience. Die Erfahrung, experience. Next is die Mitteilung. Die Mitteilung. Mitteilung, that means notification or sometimes communication. Das Wörterbuch. Das Wörterbuch, that means dictionary. Das Wörterbuch. Next is der Drucker. Der Drucker, that means printer. So guys, these are the 30 words which you can use in school, and thank you for watching. You can read these words in my blog also, link you will get in the description. And if you like this video, do share with your friends and learning partner, and please subscribe to Zenith Institute. Thank you.